Hey Dick, you know the worst thing about coronavirus?
What, is there some kind of virus going around? Why don't they publicise these things more?
Shut up. No, I'm Julian Clary in reverse. I can't come out. I do miss sport.
Well, think about something else.
There is nothing else here.
Ah, don't be a spoil sport. Give me a sporting chance, old sport.
Shut up.
Just to get the ball rolling, which is in your court and ballpark, and I'm on it and carrying it, and I won't drop it.
Please shut up.
Oh, play ball and by the rules like a front runner. And don't move the goalposts, you heavyweight knockout. Just touch base on a home stretch and
Will
roll with a
you
punch.
please?
I'll square for the innings or take a hike on the chin before taking off my gloves, throwing in the towel and my hat into the ring, like scoring an own goal, taking the full count that I'm out for, working out another string to my bow off my bat on the wrong foot, head first in deep water, out of my depth, above water on a winning streak on thin ice.
Will you shut up?
I'm stumped. You've knocked me for six. I'm for the high jump.
Change the subject.
Okay. Music.
Oh, thank you.
Who's your favourite Spice Girl?